Hello parents, staff, and community members. We are now a few days into the district's second semester. My goals remain the same, as they have been since the beginning of the school year, to ensure high-quality education while prioritizing emotional and physical health and safety. This week, for the first time since we reopened campuses in mid-September, more K-12 students are being instructed in person versus distance learning. According to the latest numbers, approximately 52% of students are back in brick and mortar, while 48% are being instructed virtually. This is a reversal of the numbers just last week. While the district will still continue to offer parents a choice of instructional modality for the remainder of the school year, the district did reach out to parents and guardians of underperforming distance learners, informing them that in-person instruction may be academically beneficial for their student. Many of those parents decided to send their children back to our campuses in hopes that their students will be better engaged. As a district, we will continue to follow health guidelines as they pertain to mitigating the transmission of COVID-19. As a reminder, any student or employee who is experiencing any potential COVID symptoms must stay home. Staying at home when sick, the mandatory wearing of face coverings, health screenings, frequent sanitation, hand washing, social distancing, and other safety practices on district property are collectively making a difference in mitigating transmission of the virus. Thank you for your cooperation in promoting and respecting healthy practices.
Hi, come on in.
And now, I'd like to acknowledge a group of exceptional professionals who assist our children academically and emotionally on a daily basis, our school counselors. This week is National School Counseling Week. The theme this year, All In for All Students. Couldn't be more on point. Our counselors are all in every day. Amid the pandemic, they are working harder than ever. As the needs of our children change, the scope of the work of the school counselor changes. I applaud our school counselors for their daily interactions with children as they encourage them and assist them in reaching their full potential. The influence of a school counselor lays a foundation which sets up our students for postgraduate success.
Black History Month gives us a unique opportunity. Black History Month, Black history is American history, and we build it into everything we do in American history.
And finally, an important recognition. February is Black History Month. Black History Month is more than the important acknowledgement of those prominent national figures who championed equality with visible sacrifice, powerful speeches, and who broke through barriers as a result of courage, strength, and determination. It is also an opportunity to reflect on the movements and progress that have shaped our local community and the role our public schools played in moving forward that conversation. In June, our district hosted its 26th Summer Institute virtually, discussing African American studies from contributions to social action. In November, a new monthly lecture series began titled Our History, Our Culture. This series provides an extensive look at the history of the African people on the continent and throughout the entire diaspora. In the wake of protests that took place in major cities across the country over the summer, the district moved quickly to provide resources for families to understand sensitive topics such as race, racism, and the importance of social justice. As a district, we will continue to place an emphasis on culturally responsive instruction and advocate for equity and access. It is critical that all students have an opportunity to learn about the historical contributions of their ancestors, have teachers with whom they can relate, and have support that positively shapes their life trajectory. On behalf of the school board and the entire school district of Palm Beach County, thank you for your unwavering support of the students and staff. Our A-rated public schools are your best choice. I hope you enjoy your weekend.